Do you ever feel overwhelmed by clutter in your kitchen? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with keeping our kitchens organized and tidy. It's a common issue that can make cooking and even spending time in the kitchen feel like a chore rather than a joy. The kitchen, often called the heart of the home, can easily become a dumping ground for stuff. From mail to gadgets, it all seems to end up here. The kitchen, often called the heart of the home, can easily become a dumping ground for stuff. It's where we prepare meals, gather with family, and sometimes even work or do homework. But when it's cluttered, it can feel like anything but the heart of the home. Instead, it becomes a source of stress and frustration. Mail piles up on the counter. It's so easy to just drop letters and papers on the nearest surface when you walk in the door. Before you know it, there's a mountain of mail that you have to sort through. This can make it hard to find important documents and adds to the overall sense of chaos. Appliances we rarely use gather dust. How many of us have gadgets that we thought we would use all the time, but now they just sit there taking up space? These items can make the kitchen feel cluttered and disorganized. They also make it harder to clean, as you have to move them around to wipe down surfaces. Drawers overflow with gadgets and gizmos. It's amazing how quickly these spaces can fill up. From utensils to random kitchen tools, it can be hard to find what you need when everything is jumbled together. This can make cooking more stressful and time-consuming. It can feel chaotic and stressful. When your kitchen is cluttered, it can be hard to relax and enjoy your time there. The mess can make it difficult to focus on cooking or spending time with family. It can also make it harder to keep the kitchen clean, as clutter attracts more clutter. But what if your kitchen could be different? Imagine a space where everything has a place and it's easy to find what you need. A kitchen that is clean, organized, and free of clutter. This might sound like a dream, but it's possible with a little effort and some smart organizing strategies. What if it could be a place of peace, functionality, and joy? A minimalist kitchen can provide just that. By reducing the number of items you have and organizing the ones you keep, you can create a space that is both beautiful and functional. This can make cooking more enjoyable and spending time in the kitchen a pleasure rather than a chore. This is the promise of a minimalist kitchen. It's not about getting rid of everything, but about keeping only what you need and love. By doing this, you can create a kitchen that is a joy to be in and that makes your life easier. So why not give it a try and see how a minimalist kitchen can transform your home? Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. It's about surrounding yourself with things you truly use and love, and letting go of the rest. In the kitchen, this means creating a space that is functional, organized, and aesthetically pleasing. A minimalist kitchen is about simplifying your cooking process, minimizing waste, and maximizing efficiency. It's about creating a space that nourishes your body and soul. My own journey to a minimalist kitchen was gradual. It started with a feeling of being overwhelmed by the sheer volume of stuff I had accumulated. I had duplicates of utensils, gadgets I never used, and expired food lurking in the back of the pantry. The process of decluttering was liberating. I donated unused appliances, tossed expired food, and organized my remaining items. The result? A kitchen that felt lighter, brighter, and more inviting. The first step to a minimalist kitchen is decluttering. Start by emptying drawers and cabinets. Take everything out and assess each item. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Do I love it? Does it serve a purpose in my kitchen? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Donate it, sell it, or discard it responsibly. Remember, the goal is to surround yourself with items that bring you joy and make your life easier. Section 5. Storage solutions. Maximizing space, minimizing fuss. Once you've decluttered, it's time to organize what's left. Invest in functional storage solutions that maximize space and minimize visual clutter. Use clear containers to store dry goods, stackable shelves to utilize vertical space, and drawer dividers to keep utensils organized. The key is to create a system that works for you and makes it easy to find what you need. Section 6. Essential tools. Quality over quantity. In a minimalist kitchen, quality trumps quantity. Instead of having a drawer full of single-purpose gadgets, invest in high-quality, multifunctional tools that will stand the test of time. A good chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, a cast iron skillet, and a few versatile pots and pans are all you need to create delicious meals. Remember, the goal is to simplify your cooking process, not complicate it with unnecessary gadgets. Section 7. Maintaining a clutter-free kitchen. Simple habits, big impact. Maintaining a minimalist kitchen requires ongoing effort. It's not just about a one-time decluttering session, but about integrating small, consistent habits into your daily routine. It's about adopting simple habits that prevent clutter from creeping back in. These habits, though small, can have a significant impact on the overall feel and functionality of your kitchen. Make a habit of cleaning as you go. This means not letting dishes pile up in the sink or leaving spills and crumbs on the counter. Putting dishes away after each meal and ensuring that everything has a designated place. This not only keeps your kitchen looking tidy, but also makes it easier to find what you need when you need it. Wiping down counters regularly is another essential habit. It prevents grime and dirt from building up, making your kitchen a more pleasant place to cook and eat. Implement a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item that comes into your kitchen, let go of something else. This helps in maintaining a balance and ensures that your kitchen doesn't get overcrowded with unnecessary items. This rule is particularly useful for those who love to buy new kitchen gadgets and tools. It forces you to evaluate what you truly need and use, and what can be donated or discarded. Letting go of something else can be a liberating experience. It not only frees up physical space, but also mental space, making your kitchen a more enjoyable place to be. This will help you maintain a balance and prevent clutter from building up again. A balanced kitchen is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that supports your lifestyle and well-being. By adopting these simple habits, you can transform your kitchen into a clutter-free, efficient, and enjoyable space. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to big changes. Section 8. The transformative power of a minimalist kitchen. A minimalist kitchen is more than just a visually appealing space. It can have a transformative effect on your life. When your kitchen is clutter-free, cooking becomes more enjoyable. You'll waste less time searching for lost items and more time creating delicious meals. A minimalist kitchen can also reduce stress and promote a sense of peace and tranquility. It allows you to focus on what truly matters, nourishing yourself and your loved ones. Section 9. Join the Minimalist Kitchen movement. Creating a minimalist kitchen is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes simplicity and functionality over excess and clutter. Imagine walking into your kitchen and feeling a sense of calm and order, where every item has its place and purpose. This is the essence of a minimalist kitchen. It's about finding what works for you and your lifestyle. Minimalism doesn't mean you have to get rid of everything you love. Instead, it's about curating your space to include only the items that bring you joy and serve a practical purpose. Personal touches and meaningful items can still have a place in your minimalist kitchen, so take it one step at a time. Start small and gradually work your way through your kitchen. Begin with one drawer or one shelf. The key is to make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Each small step you take will bring you closer to your goal of a clutter-free, efficient kitchen. Start by decluttering a drawer or a shelf. Remove everything and only put back the items you truly need and use. This process will help you identify what is essential and what is not. You'll be surprised at how much space you can free up by letting go of items that no longer serve you. Then, assess your storage solutions and essential tools. Consider how you can optimize your storage to make your kitchen more functional. Use organizers, bins, and labels to keep everything in its place. Having a well-organized kitchen will make cooking and cleaning much more enjoyable and efficient. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Involve your family or friends in the process. It can be a fun and rewarding activity to do together. Plus, having a support system can make the journey to a minimalist kitchen feel less daunting and more achievable. Share your minimalist kitchen journey with friends, family, or online communities. There are many people out there who are also striving for a simpler, more intentional way of living. By sharing your experiences, you can inspire and motivate others to start their own minimalist kitchen journey. What are your biggest kitchen clutter challenges? Identifying the areas that cause you the most stress can help you focus your efforts where they are needed most. Whether it's an overflowing pantry, a chaotic utensil drawer, or a countertop covered in appliances, pinpointing these trouble spots is the first step to tackling them. What tips or tricks have you found helpful in your own minimalist journey? Sharing practical advice and solutions can be incredibly valuable to others who are on the same path. Whether it's a clever storage hack, a favorite organizing tool, or a mindset shift that made a difference, Your insights can help others create their own minimalist kitchens. Share your experiences and inspire others to embrace a simpler, more intentional way of living in the heart of their homes. A minimalist kitchen is not just about having less, it's about making room for more. More joy, more creativity, and more peace. By transforming your kitchen, you can transform your daily life and create a space that truly supports your well-being. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this journey.